Is Kivori a scam or a legit solution for yeast infections? If you've seen ads for a Kivori yeast solution, pause before you buy, because the truth might surprise you. As of 2026, Kivori, especially linked to KivoriPetStore.com, is a retail brand for pet grooming tools. Think electrostatic gloves for pet hair. Handy, sure, but not a medical miracle. There's no clinical evidence or medical listing for a Kivori product that cures yeast infections in humans. If you see a Kivori-branded yeast solution for people, that's a red flag. Let's get clear, valid Kivori stuff is for pet grooming. Any product claiming to treat human yeast infections is not FDA approved, and it's probably just marketing hype chasing search trends. Just check the reviews. Recent ratings from 2025 and 2026, around 1.5 to 2.6 stars. Complaints about missing orders, slow refunds, and bad customer service are everywhere. Not exactly confidence-inspiring, right? For real yeast solutions, stick to what's proven. Over-the-counter creams like Monistat or Canesten work for most simple infections. For tougher cases, a single dose of prescription diflucan, also known as fluconazole, does the trick. If you keep getting infections, CDC guidelines recommend boric acid suppositories. And for pets, only use vet-recommended shampoos with chlorhexidine or ketoconazole. Bottom line, don't fall for fake hype. Kivori makes decent pet grooming tools, but there's no legit evidence for any human yeast treatment from them.